All right, just a little walk today, 30-minute walk in between working this morning and then doing some stuff this afternoon. I'm looking a tiny bit scruffy, never mind. But yeah, let me walk you through the first couple of workouts in the first few days with the Apple Watch today. Yeah, you might be quite surprised. So if you followed the previous videos about my journey with the Apple Watch to help get me fit, you'll have seen that I had a successful first run. Great. So now on my non-running days, I build up my core strength with my old Pilates routine that I used to do with my Serpentine Running Club at their club rooms near Paddington Station in central London, which you'll have seen that I just about managed. I never forget how hard Pilates is, but I do always forget how good it makes me feel after I actually complete it. And 3 days rest after my first run, so I take a lunch break and get down to the coast to try and get my second run in. But within about 50 meters of setting out for a gentle run on a cold sunny day, I felt a sharp pain in the middle of my right calf muscle. Ow! Now, I've been running for about 10 years seriously, and I've had niggles that I could run through before. Sometimes these are little muscle twinges, and sometimes these are metabolic stitches in the side where you just slow down and run them out. This didn't feel like anything I'd ever experienced before. I stopped. I leant on the fence near me as the woman in the house across the road looked past me at the sea and then straight at me, wondering if I was chickening out of the run. That's what I was thinking anyway. I felt my face start to go red with embarrassment, and for a millisecond I almost tried to carry on running. But as soon as I moved, my calf gave me very clear instructions that it didn't care how shamed I was feeling. Running wasn't going to happen that day. So I limped back slowly to the car. A day passed of me limping around, and I decided that it just wasn't going to settle down by itself, so I made an appointment at the physiotherapist. So just done with the physiotherapist, and it looks like I have a grade 1 calf tear, which is not great news, but at the same time it seems to be a relatively simple one. So I've got some mobilization exercises to do to make sure that my sciatic nerve doesn't get caught with the inflammation and I don't get referred sharp pain, which is what I am getting at the moment. And I'm not allowed to run for probably about 3 or 4 weeks, but I am allowed to do some other things. I'll tell you more about that when I get home. So that was 4 days ago, and after a few days of a little bit of mobilization of my sciatic nerve running down my right leg and some rest, it was back to the physiotherapist this Monday morning. Okay, done there today. My physiotherapist Peter thinks I'm making good progress, can start doing some walking this week, and he wants to see me again on Thursday. Going to do some calf raises, maybe some cycling, and maybe some aqua jogging too. So that's progress. That's really, really good. And he thinks I did the right thing coming in. Lots of people just kind of pushed through it. And that definitely felt like not something I was supposed to push through. So progress delayed in terms of my fitness goals, but hopefully back on track again soon. So I'm allowed to do some calf raises, 3 sets of 10 per day, woohoo, and some light walking of the dog, and perhaps even some light cycling and some time aqua jogging. The Apple Watch hasn't had many of its rings closed yet, but I have found a couple of amazing apps, Auto Sleep and Heart Watch. Watch out for some reviews of these coming soon. They are just amazing apps. Be sure to subscribe to make sure you don't miss them, and you can catch up with what inspired me to start this journey by watching these videos right here. Thanks again for watching, and catch you again soon.